Subscribe to Masterchef Mom and press the bell icon to get all the recipe updates.
Incredibly tasty, Uma. It's literally authentic Mumbai Pav Bhaji. Wow, it's simply superb.
Thanks, Raghu.
I'm sure all of you want to go out to your favorite restaurants and enjoy snacks like Pav Bhaji. But don't worry, today Uma is going to show you how to make a really yummylicious Mumbai Pav Bhaji. It's very easy to make, just follow the steps. And while you go to her kitchen to learn how to make this pav bhaji, I'm going to polish this plate clean. Enjoy.
This super delicious Mumbai street style pav bhaji, you will need all these ingredients. So heat a wide kadai, heavy bottom kadai with some butter. Now to this add the finely chopped onions. Just fry for a few seconds, and next we're going to add the tomatoes. So when you're selecting tomatoes for pav bhaji, see that the tomatoes are nice and ripe and juicy. Okay. Now I've added the tomatoes. Next I'm going to add the capsicum and the peas. Now I'm going to add turmeric powder, some salt. Mix well and let this fry just for a few seconds. So it's been around 5 minutes and you can see that the tomatoes have nicely broken down. Now to this I'm going to add the mashed potatoes. So mix it well, cook all this over low flame. Now it's mixed well. To this now I'm going to add all the masala powders. Kashmiri chilli powder, pav bhaji masala. I've already added turmeric powder, mix well. Now add some water to this mixture and allow it to simmer. You can cover and cook this now. So this mixture needs to simmer at least for 10 minutes. So till this time let's do the tempering. So what I have done is I have crushed the ginger and garlic in a mortar and pestle. In that itself I have added butter and coriander leaves. Mix it well. Okay, and then add it to the tawa. I place the tawa on low flame. Mix it well like this. If you have ginger garlic paste, you can use that. I have freshly crushed, but you can always use ginger garlic paste. Okay, mix it well like this and then add it to the tawa. Make this tempering in the tawa itself because the tawa will be fragrant when you toast the pav later. So now the ginger and garlic have fried. Now I'm going to add the onion. So fry this well. If you're not comfortable in a tawa, you can use a small pan. Add a pinch of salt to this. Can add a little bit of butter, and to this I'm going to add the Kashmiri chilli powder. Adjust according to the spice levels you prefer, and pav bhaji masala. Also add little more of coriander leaves. And now let's all mix this together. Let's mix this together and fry well. So that's it, our onions are fried beautifully. I'm going to switch off the gas. Okay, now let's see how this has cooked, our mixture. So it looks so beautiful. It's come together beautifully. Now we can mash this a little more using the potato masher. So our bhaji is well mashed, it is thickened also. So now I'm going to quickly add some kasuri methi to this. Also going to add some more dhania, coriander leaves. Okay, and you can add some more water to this. And we are now going to add in the tadka which we have made, the tempering which we have made of the onion mixture. Okay, you can add in some of the bhaji, mix it and mix it well. That's it, cover and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes and our pav bhaji will be done, ready to be served. So now take some soft pav, okay, and cut it like this. It's a really soft pav, okay. Now apply, this is room temperature butter and I have added some coriander leaves in it. Adding coriander leaves is optional. Apply the butter on both the sides of the pav. Now let's toast the pav. So tawa is hot and I am toasting both the sides of the pav. While this is toasting, let me show you the bhaji. It's ready. It's been simmering for 5 minutes and look at this beautiful color, texture. It's ready to be served. You can always add more coriander leaves and butter. Our delicious bhaji is now ready to be served. So our beautiful pav is toasted on both the sides, ready to be served. So it's time to serve our bhaji and pav. Now it's time to serve our delicious pav bhaji. I'm serving the bhaji. And finally, to top it all, just add a dollop of butter and our delicious pav bhaji is now ready to be served. So yummy.
Incredibly tasty, Uma. It's literally authentic Mumbai pav bhaji.
I'm sure you're tempted to try this recipe immediately. Do try out, it's worth it. It was so yummy. I have so many other variations of pav bhaji too, where I add beans and cauliflower, carrot. But then when you're trying it for the first time, do try out this recipe. It's sure to get you loads of compliments. I'm waiting to hear all your feedback. Do like, comment and subscribe to Masterchef Mom. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking, stay safe, stay healthy.